Good day, everybody. So on February 15th, I took some time to go planespotting at Louisville and got to see a few cargoes go out. The video is also testing my new spotting format I would like to use for my spotting video next week. Anyways, please let me know if I should change anything else about the spotting. Also, it was very rainy at this time at Louisville, so I'm sorry about the shots, but that will be explained later. Hey fellow spotters, I'm at Louisville Airport. I just saw some planes come off. There are some actually scheduled today, which was a lot better than what I early saw, which was only commercials, and that was every like 20-ish minutes. But it's raining, so I'm in the parking garage because I don't want to get soaked. I want to get my beautiful Bucky sweater soaked. So anyways, I just saw a 7478 takeoff, and soon I'm hoping to see a MD-11 takeoff. This is what I get for views and a big noisy highway and stuff over there, but hopefully next month when I come back it will be not raining and I could actually get some good views. For now, that'll be it for Louisville. The 2-week weather came out for Louisville, and I'm seeing slightly cloudy winds, 10 to 15 miles an hour, and a 20% chance of rain. I can't wait to start making that video, and I have spots right by the runway that I'm planning to spot from. So look out for some really good footage. Please let me know if there's anything I could do to make the spotting information better. I'd love to hear your input. Anyways, that's all I have for today, so I'll see you in the skies.